Xiaomi launched the Mi Bluetooth Pocket Speaker 2 on the occasion of World Music Day on June 21st. Let's take a look at the speaker and find out if it is really worth the price tag of 1499 Indian rupees. Package arrived in typical Xiaomi fashion. Cutting open the polythene bag reveals the actual box. In typical Xiaomi style, the box is simplistic. At the front is a picture of the speaker along with the name. The sides are pretty Spartan. To the back, there is a bunch of specifications along with the usual legal mumbo jumbo. Let's unwrap the plastic and take a look at the contents. The first thing that greets us on opening the box is the speaker itself. Let's take it out and put it to the side. The only other thing inside the box is the user guide. There isn't even the customary charging cable. Strange. The speaker is cylindrical with no visible buttons on it. There is a LED indicator light at the lower end. Also, there is a micro USB charging port. Up top is the speaker grill covered by a cloth mesh. The bottom is rubberized, ensuring that the speaker won't slip around when placed on a flat surface. Coming back to the lack of buttons, Xiaomi has introduced some clever design choices with this device. The top part has a rotatable head that acts as a volume rocker. The top is also clicky. Pressing it for about 3 seconds powers the device on or off. During usage, it acts as the play or pause button. In order to pair the speaker with your phone or any other device, just switch it on and search for the speaker on your device.
Connected successfully.
It's time now to test the audio quality of the speaker. Now, it will be difficult for you to make out how good or bad the quality is, primarily due to the limitations of audio capture on my end and output on your end. So, let's do a comparison. I will play the same music on the Mi Pocket Speaker, the Nude Move M, and the default phone speaker. I'll have the icon to indicate which device the music is playing on. You be the judge. The speaker comes with a 1200 mAh battery that Xiaomi claims will provide up to 7 hours of playback. And during my testing of the speaker over the last 4 days, the claim holds true. To charge it back up, I had to plug it into my 5V 2A charger for about 2 hours. Okay, it's time for the verdict. Personally, I feel that this device isn't worth its price. While it looks and feels extremely premium, it fails where it matters the most: the sound quality. My 3-year-old Nude Move M sounds so much better. That's just my personal opinion. You might not agree. So try it out if you wish to, and do let me know what your opinion is down in the comments below. If you like this video, give poor me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. You can also connect with us through Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, which no one uses. This is me signing off. For the time being, till the next time, you guys be good and be curious. Bye-bye.